Wearing this mask allows you to be as cheeky as you like, and no one will know it's you.
Why would I say a mean thing to someone?
Because they'll think it's really funny. You saw how that complete stranger reacted, right?
So funny.
Come on, give it a go. Remember, no one will know it's you.
You look like a slimy flub. You're a silly snoodle.
Slimy flub? Silly snoodle? They sound funny.
Not if you're an Oolie. To us, it's just plain rude.
Sorry, I didn't know. It doesn't feel good to be called rude names.
Let's go inside and wait for Pom.
What a great idea of mine, to give that silly Oolie a mask and get her to be rude to other Oolies.
It's so funny to watch. Pom should be here soon. The masked meanie? Called you what? I am so sorry. No, I don't know why they're being so naughty. This masked meanie is upsetting every Oolie in town. We need to find them and ask them to please stop causing mischief.
But where do we start looking for someone we don't know?
Did you notice that the mask looked a bit like a troll's face?
Let's go and find out if one of the trolls is the mysterious masked meanie. Where were you at precisely 1 minute past the Oolie hour this morning?
On the plaza.
Aha!
And did you notice anyone unusual?
You mean like someone wearing a mask?
Aha!
Was it one of you?
Aha! Aha! Aha!
It couldn't be one of us, because the masked meanie is standing right behind you.
You're a bunch of wonky willows.
Oh, well, that masked meanie could be absolutely anyone in Gizmo. How will we ever find out who it is?
By following their trail. Looks like the masked meanie stopped here.
They must have bought a bag of nutberries.
Aha!
What is it, Oolie Bean?
Nothing. I just really like saying aha.
Come see.
The rest of the nutberry shells are in the compost bin. I wonder if they belong to the masked meanie.
Weren't the Blobos scheduled to do funny faces today?
Allow me to inquire as to what's wrong. Blobby, blob. Oh dear, you're upset about being called names by someone in a mask.
Well, that's the abso-Oolie limit. Where did that masked meanie go next?
I have a suggestion. We all know an Oolie that loves puddle jumping, nutberries, and coming to look at her favourite flobbo tree.
Yes, Oolie Pom.
Huh? What are you doing here? Where's Oolie Pom?
I don't know who you're talking about, you dafty doodle. You shouldn't call people names. I'm just having fun.
But the people you're name-calling aren't. Would you like it if someone called you names?
Well, no, but the funny-faced mask seller told me that you can say anything when you hide behind a mask.
But you've upset the whole town, so you need to stop. Now take off that mask and reveal yourself.
But then you'll know it's me.
Who?
Oolie Pom. It won't come off. Help! Why won't it come off? I'm so sorry.
It only came off when you said you were sorry.
I was only thinking about the fun I was having and not about how it might hurt everyone's feelings.
Well, I'm glad you're sorry, Oolie Pom.
And I'm glad to have this mask off.